Okay, now let's talk about how to win in business. Winning in business is not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about strategy, persistence, and timing. First, you need a very clear vision. What's your end goal? What problem are you solving? Your vision should guide everything you do. It will help you make decisions, prioritize, and stay focused when things get tough. Second, consistency is the key. Consistency is the key. The businesses that win are the ones that show up every single day. Don't expect business success to come quickly, but if you keep working it and on it day after day, a year after year, the results will compound. Third, timing. Timing is not just about good product service, it's about offering at the right time, launch at the right time. Okay, launching at the right time. Yeah. So I work in companies, MNCs and things like that. I know about launching at the right timing. I have a big famous like IFA in Germany, Munich. I was with creative technology and sound blasters, and we actually launched some products at certain important exhibitions in Europe, like IFA in Germany. Okay, so that is a B2B and B2C consumer and businesses exhibition. Every year they will have it in Munich, and we launched the product there, things like that. So, or CES, CA. Okay, so things like that. So think about it. Launching at the right timing, study your market, and understand where there is a gap or need you can fulfill. You need to understand, yeah. So I often like to share about ideas and things like that. And then I see a problem, and then I will think of ideas, what to do to solve that problem. And think of ideas and then come up with a product for Facebook. Okay. Lastly, I'd like to remind you again, don't be afraid to fail. Okay. Failure isn't the end. It's part of the process. Every entrepreneur actually faces setbacks. The key is actually keep going, learn from mistakes, and adjust your course as needed.